Hi class, hello everyone. I hope आप सब अच्छे होंगे. And today we are going to talk about, we are going to do the final revision on the chapter Human Eye and the Colorful World. So in this particular topic, we are going to solve questions. Along with the questions, we are going to discuss all the related concepts, all the related topics, the formulas, and everything. So one thing, whenever you want to ask any doubt, you want to ask any question, you need to ask it to me in the comment box. And also if you are having any doubts from your end, definitely you can drop it in the comment box. Now, few important things from our side. So here we are providing you a Google form. So if you need any guidance from our side where you are feeling like that you are not able to decide what stream you are going to select in grade 11th and 12th, as well as you require any kind of guidance that how to improve your study, what are the topics where you are facing the issues, we are here. You just need to fill that Google form. The Google form is present in the chat box, also in the description, so you can definitely fill it out. आज की क्लास में हम क्या बात करने वाले हैं बच्चों? आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ह्यूमन आई एंड द कलरफुल वर्ल्ड, एंड वी आर स्टार्टिंग हियर विद द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. We'll wait for 2 minutes for the other students to join and then we will start our class. The first question here, तब तक क्वेश्चन पढ़ लेते हैं बच्चों, एंड हर क्वेश्चन के लिए एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम होगा आपके पास आंसर करने के लिए, एंड देन यू नीड टू आंसर दैट. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर, द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द आई लेंस इंक्रीजेस व्हेन आई मसल्स, option A, are relaxed and the lens become thinner. Option B, contract and lens become thicker. Option C, are relaxed and lens become thicker. And option D, it is contract and lens becomes thinner. So again, read the question carefully. It is talking about the focal length of the eye lens increases when the eye muscles. Here, eye muscles which we are talking about, definitely they are the ciliary muscles which are helping the lens in contraction and relaxation, right? So students, you are having 45-second time to answer this question. You can answer it in the chat box. Your time starts now. Quickly, everyone. So, अगर मैं इस क्वेश्चन की बात करूं बच्चों, तो आई लेंस की फोकल लेंथ कब इंक्रीज होगी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ लेंस थिक है तो क्या होगा वहां पे? उसका रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर कम हो जाएगा, एंड इफ द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज लेस, डेफिनेटली द फोकल लेंथ इज गोइंग टू रिड्यूस देयर. सो आई होप यू गॉट द आइडिया व्हाट शुड बी द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. करेक्ट आंसर बच्चों यहां पे डेफिनेटली ए पार्ट होगा, व्हिच इज व्हेन द आई मसल्स आर रिलैक्स्ड एंड लेंस बिकम्स थिनर, द फोकल लेंथ गॉट इंक्रीजेस देयर. इस टॉपिक को हमने बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ा था जब हमने ह्यूमन आई के बारे में डिस्कशन करना शुरू किया था, जब हमने वहां पे आई लेंस के बारे में पढ़ा था. जैसे आई लेंस का पार्ट आया था, सिलरी मसल्स का पार्ट आया था, वहां पे हमने फार पॉइंट को डिस्कस किया था, वहां पे हमने नियर पॉइंट को डिस्कस किया था, और वहां पे इन सारी चीजों को हमने वहां पे डिस्कस किया था कि ऐसा क्यों होता है, राइट? मूविंग अहेड, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर, a boy has myopia and he uses specs of focal length minus 80 centimeter. What is the power of the lens? Option A, minus 1.25 diopter. Option B, minus 2 diopter. Option C, minus 1 diopter. And option D, it is none of these. Okay. So for this question also, you are having 45 seconds to solve it. After 45 seconds, we'll take your answer. Not, okay, let me give you 1 minute because there is some calculation also in it. So 1 minute time you all are having. I hope you all remember the formula. Quickly solve it. टाइम इज अबाउट टू अप. देखिए बच्चों, एक चीज यहां पे नोटिस करने वाली है, एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है यहां पे. अगर आप देखो यहां पे जो फोकल लेंथ गिवन है वो आपको सेंटीमीटर में गिवन है. व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग द फॉर्मूला ऑफ पावर ऑफ द लेंस, दैट इज 1/f, बट हियर f इज इन मीटर, राइट? So when it is in centimeter, we need to use 100/f, so it will be 100/80, but with a negative sign. So you can solve it 5 by 4, which must minus 1.25 diameter. Easy it is, right? So option A here is the right answer. Okay. So yes, Abhijit, hello, F and meter. Yeah, Abhijit, my name is Ashutosh. I hope you are the new student here who joined the first class. Let's quickly move to the next question. What is the next question here? Which of the reason is possible for myopia? Option A, it is saying that excessive curvature of eye. Option B, the focal length of the eye lens is too long. Option C, decrease in the size of eye lens. And option D, it is minimal curvature of eye. So these are the 4 options for you, and you are having the time of 45 seconds again to answer that question, and your time starts now. Abhijit का आंसर आया A part. Okay, Abhijit. What about the other students? Quickly answer. Talking about this question, the possible reason for myopia. I hope you remember about the myopia, जिसके बारे में हमने काफी डिस्कशन किया था, myopia, hypermetropia. तो अगर हम myopia के बारे में बच्चों बात करें, so myopia is a kind of defect in which person is not able to see far objects, right, or distant objects, but you can clearly see the nearby objects, right? What is the reason behind that? Why is it happening though? So if I'm talking about the reason which are mentioned below, the right answer, it is A part, excessive curvature of the eye. When the curvature of eye is getting increased, and along with that, the image is forming in the front of retina. Ideally, it should be formed on retina, but it is forming before the retina or in the front of retina. So, to correct this defect, we should use concave lens. Why concave lens we should use? Because it is going to converge the rays, and the rays will again meet at retina, and that's how we can remove the defect of myopia. Okay, let's move to the next question quickly, and do share it with your friends also, everyone. So that is going to be interesting for them also. A prism is placed in a water. The angle of minimum deviation will, option A, increase, option B, decrease, option C, remain same, or option D, none of these. Class, for this question, 1 minute you all are having to think about it. After 1 minute, we'll take your answer. Your time starts now. Quickly, everyone. ओके, सो प्रताप ने आंसर किया है ए पार्ट, अभिजीत का आंसर है बी पार्ट. गुड इवनिंग प्रताप, गुड इवनिंग, वेलकम टू द क्लास. बच्चों देखो, यहां पे अगर करेक्ट आंसर की हम बात करें, एक चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है, यहां पे सिर्फ हमको रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स को नहीं देखना है, we should talk about the relative refractive index. The right answer for this question is definitely B part. It will get decreased because if I'm talking about the minimum angle of deviation is depending on the relative refractive index. Okay, and this relative refractive index is getting decreased there when we are putting it in a water, and that's why the minimum angle of deviation will also get decreases. Okay, that's why option B here is correct. Yes, Abhijit, you are right, and as well as Pratap gave the right answer. Moving ahead, a beam of white light is incident on a hollow glass prism, then the light emerging from the prism gives option A spectrum with all the colors bent away from the base. Option B, a spectrum with all the colors bent towards the base such that violet the most and red the least. Option C, a spectrum with all colors bent towards the base such that the violet is bent the least and red is most. And option D, it is no spectrum. Class, 45 seconds again, and your time starts now. Okay, so time is up. Let's see what is the right answer for that question. So if I'm talking about the right answer, few answers I got it here from Abhijit. I got one answer only, that is B part. But the right answer for this question is D part, no spectrum. Why is it D part, no spectrum? Everyone, it is very clearly mentioned there that it is a hollow glass prism, means that outside the prism and inside the prism, the refractive index will be same. There will be no refraction. As well as no dispersion. The right answer is D part, no spectrum. Okay, easy as that. Moving to the next question, for a given prism, the angle of incidence is changed from 0 to 90 degree. The angle of deviation will also increase, decrease. Option A here is increase, option B here decrease, option C first increase then decrease, option D first decrease and then increase. Okay, quickly answer. 1 minute time you all are having. Try to recall the graph for that and you will get the answer. Okay, so few answers I got here. Abhijit is saying D part, only one answer I got from here. So students, talking about the right answer for this question, that definitely D part first decreases and then increases. If you are able to recall the graph of it, here we are denoting the angle of incidence. And here it is angle of deviation. And this is the minimum angle of deviation for that particular angle of incidence. So if you see clearly, what is going to be happen? First, it get decreases and then it will start increasing again. Okay, this part is clear. Everyone, to quickly take a note of it. This question is important. Please take a note of it. Note down the statement and the answer. First, it will decrease and then will start increasing. Quickly note it down. I hope you all noted it down. Let's move to the next question here. The critical angle of water is 48.2 degree, then its refractive index is. One information is more required here. The value of sine 48.2 degree is equal to 0.75. Now, quickly try to solve this question. You are having 1 minute of time and your time started now. Okay, let me give you 1.5 minutes to solve this quickly. 1.5 minute time you all are having to solve this. Your time already started. Quickly solve it, everyone. Okay. Any answer? Abhijit is saying B part. What about the other students? Quickly. Quickly answer. That is an interesting question itself. If you're remembering the formula, you can answer it. First, tell me the formula. We are talking about a critical angle here and it is asking about the refractive index. So if you are remembering the formula, we can write it sine C is equal to 1 by mu. Correct? The value of C is given here 48.2 degree. So let's put it here. So I can say that sine 48.2 degree must be equal to 1 divided by mu. So mu will be equal to 1 divided by sine 48.2. The value is given to you 0.75. So mu will be equal to 1 divided by 0.75 and you will get the answer here. Okay? Easy? Easy, everyone? Take a note of it. The answer, when you are going to solve, it approximately comes as a B part, 1.34. Okay, the answer is 1.34. Calculation, you can do it. I think it is easy. 75 by 100 basically it is, right? Let's move ahead with the next question. The rainbow is seen due to, very easy question it is. Option A, interference by thin films. Option B, scattering of sunlight. Option C, dispersion of sunlight. And option D, it is diffraction of sunlight. Quickly answer. 45 seconds, more than enough. Quickly answer, everyone. Very easy question it is. No answer yet. Why, students? Very easy question it is. I'm expecting all the answers from everyone who is present there. And I'm expecting the correct answer from all of you. Quickly answer. This is the easy one. Abhijit is saying C part. So students, time is up. The right answer definitely it is C part, dispersion of sunlight. The rainbow we are able to see because the raindrops are in atmosphere, which are acting like a small prism. And the prism is going to cause the dispersion of light. And we get the 7 colors of rainbow, which is VIBGYOR. Right? So the answer is dispersion of light. Now, the next question here, in total internal reflection, when the angle of incidence is equal to the critical angle for the pair of media in contact, what will be the angle of refraction? Again, a very easy question. 30 seconds only. Option A 180 degree, option B 90 degree, option C 0, option D equal to the angle of incidence. Only 30 seconds are there for you to give me the answer and your time starts now. Quickly answer, everyone. Time is up. Time is up, everyone. And the right answer, it is B part, 90 degree. We know that when I'm talking about a critical angle, this is a normal. Light is incident on critical angle. For that value of angle of incidence, the refracted ray completely become parallel to the surface and the angle is 90 degree there. Right? So that's why the right answer here is 90 degree only. Next question, the assertion reason question. Assertion is saying that the twinkling of a star is due to the reflection of light, and the reason is saying the velocity of light changes while traveling from one medium to the other. Option A, it is saying that both assertion and reason are correct and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, it is saying that both assertion and reason are correct but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C, assertion is correct but reason is incorrect. And option D, it is saying that reason is correct but assertion is incorrect. Class, 45 seconds you are having to answer this question. Your time already started. Quickly answer. हाँ, अभिजीत सर कोई स्टूडेंट मैसेज नहीं करते. I don't know अभिजीत आज क्या हो रहा है, बच्चे यहाँ पे आंसर क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे. Questions are very simple and easy. Talking about the right answer, it is D part. Reason is correct, but assertion is incorrect. Why? They mentioned reflection of light. No, it is because of the refraction. And actually, it is because of atmospheric refraction. So definitely assertion is wrong. Reason, the velocity of light changes while traveling from one medium to other medium. That is definitely correct. Okay, fine. The answer is D part. Next question, which is going to be the last question of the today's class. The question says that the space appears dark to an astronaut, and the reason there is no atmosphere in the sky. Option A, both assertion reason are correct and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, both assertion reason are correct but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C, assertion is correct but reason is incorrect. And option D, reason is correct but assertion is incorrect. Quickly answer, everyone. 45 seconds only you are having to answer that question. Quickly answer. The time is about to up. And if I'm talking about the right answer for this question, the space appears dark to an astronaut. Yes, there is no atmosphere in the sky. If I'm talking about the astronaut is definitely his or she is in the outer space. For them, if there is no atmosphere, there will be no scattering is going to be happen, and that sky looks black or dark in a color because there is no atmosphere in the sky. So both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay, so that's all for today. That many questions we are going to do, and I hope it covers the maximum number of questions which we can do from the human eye. If anything is left, we will discuss it in the next class. But most probably, we are going to start the electricity topic in the next class, and I will tell you the timing beforehand, so you can join on the time. So that's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a great day.